Hi, friends! I hope you guys are all enjoying the different sea animals we're learning about this week. I just got out of the shower and I'm in my pajamas, so if you're the same way, that's totally cool. I'm gonna read you guys a story. Who is that? Yeah, that's Pete the Cat. So I'm gonna read you a Pete the Cat story about Scuba Cat. Pete the Cat, Scuba Cat. So let's see what fun adventures Pete can get into. Alright. Pete the Cat is excited. He is gonna go scuba diving. He puts on his mask and fins. He has a tank full of air so that he can breathe. And he hopes to see lots of fish. If you are lucky, you might even see a seahorse, says Captain Joe. A seahorse? Says Pete. I can't wait. I've never seen one before. Their ridges look like a horse's mane, said Captain Joe. Pete jumps into the water. Splash! Groovy, says Pete. Down, down, down he goes. Up, up, up go the bubbles. Pete looks for a seahorse. He doesn't see one. He sees a swordfish. Pete swims quickly out of its way. Pete waves to the stingray. It has a long, skinny tail. That's not a seahorse, thinks Pete. Pete looks high and low for the seahorse. Then he feels a tickle. Friends, what's that? Yeah, that's a seahorse, but does Pete see it? Yes or no? No, Pete doesn't see it. Let's see what Pete feels. What was that tickle? Pete sees a school of fish. They all look alike except for one. It puffs up. It's a blowfish. It's not a seahorse. Can you guys do that? Can you puff up like the blowfish? Where could one be? Pete looks in the rocks. What is that? It's an octopus. It has 8 legs. It is not a seahorse. Pete feels a tickle. What could it be? Pete turns. He sees a cave. Is there a seahorse inside? Let's find out. Do you think there's a seahorse inside? Okay, let's go find out. Pete sees a crab with claws. A seahorse does not have claws, Pete thinks. The cave is getting darker. Pete feels a tickle. Then he sees an eel. Pete swims past it. It is too long to be a seahorse. Oh no, it's too dark to see. How will Pete get out? What's gonna happen? Pete sees a jellyfish. It glows in the dark. Pete is almost out of the cave. He sees an angelfish. It is very colorful. Pete is out of the cave. So why is it so dark? Pete is in a shadow. Shadow. He's in the shadow of a whale. Yikes! Pete wishes he could jump on a seahorse and ride away. Pete hops on the sea turtle instead, and it takes him to the boat. I did not see a seahorse, thinks Pete. He feels a tickle on his tail. What is it? What was there the whole time? A seahorse, cries Pete. What a surprise! Oh. You were with me all along, says Pete. What a cool adventure. Wow, Pete is so silly. There was a seahorse there on his tail the whole time and he did not even see it. That is silly. right, friends, I hope you enjoyed the book. Look, here's all the different animals. Which one did you like the best? Which one was your favorite? You can say, I like, and then you can point to whichever one you want. So I can show you. I like the octopus. I liked the octopus. That one was my favorite. What about you guys? Nice. You can go ahead and tell your mommies or daddies or brothers or sisters. Or you can tell me. You could have your mommies and daddies tell me, okay? I miss you all. And thanks so much for sitting with me and listening to Pete the Cat, Scuba Cat. I hope you liked it. Have a good rest of your night or day, whatever. Bye.